Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly remember to subscribe, like and comment. So guys, I'm so excited today. If you remember, one of the birthday wishes was a cooker, and I finally got that wish came true today, and I'm so over the moon excited, and our baby still growing strong. You can see, hope you guys can see. It's growing strong. So today we're just gonna be unboxing our cooker, fixing it, and yeah, you guys just come along. My husband is gonna be helping me do this, of course, because I don't think I can do this alone. The connecting of the pipes and everything. I'm so excited. It's our 4 burner. Standalone. Is it standalone or standing? It's called what, babe? Standing cooker, something like that. Yes. So guys, let me invite my husband so that we can start this. And so let me show you the cooker. And it is, we have already opened some parts of it. So we have this with some sellotape here. We have removed the sellotape. Here it is. Still has its sellotape on this way. You can see here the knobs, and here the oven. This oven, there's a free tray there, grill, and we also got this to fix. This is for fixed here on the gas cylinder, and there's this pipe. It's gonna fix everything. He is gonna fix everything, and I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, so come along with us. Let's fix this cooker, guys. So babe, come here. Come fix it. So guys, I think he's just he wants to connect it to the gas cylinder.
So for this one, I have to check. Now it's in the proper position to be fixed. This way. You're supposed now to put it in when it's like this, and then turn this. First you press this, then you turn so that it locks. I think you can see this thing, this metal part here. This is now unlocked. So you can remove if it was connected. Now before you put it, now you unlock it. Then once you stick it there, then you press this and then lock up to there. And still at this state it's off. There is no gas going there. That's the safety switch. So if you want now to use the gas to turn it on, you press here and then you take it to the total complete, to face up completely. At 90 degrees from the start. You just turn it 45 degrees from here to here. So that you can see the valve has protruded out. Now that valve is what is going to press the valve here on the cylinder to release gas into the pipe. Okay. So you're just going to unlock it, and release it, then unlock. Now it's locked in. Okay? No gas going out. Yeah. Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
So it's locked in. So now I'm just going to move the cooker. And you will get back when we have fixed it. See you soon, guys. That's here.
That's how it
Give me the
looks
other
like
metal part.
behind. Why did I put it?
So I'm gonna test with the burner. The matchbox here. You can take this one out. So you're going to engage the gas.
Pardon my movement, guys. I'm not recording.
I've disengaged. Okay. Now it's locked in. You can feel it's now we're just going to turn it on. So the gas is now flowing to the system. Let's see. Start with this one. Sorry.
Can't see, babe. Oh, come to the other
Just come
side.
to this side of it. Because you can stand one from this side. High pressure. Should you give it some time? Let's try a minute. Give it some time. Let's just chill.
He's even laughing at himself.
Okay, that's the problem. Guys, we are back. Sorry about that. I think the gas flow was not complete. So I think we can test now. So just light up your match as usual. This one is an anti-clockwise one. So you just push it anti-clockwise. It's on. That's maximum heat. And then there's minimum heat. It has two snevels. Maximum here and minimum down here. So
Well, let's see where, babe.
minimum
That's where it
here.
is. It's minimum.
Yeah, then the max here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, I'm learning, guys, because I'm the one who's gonna be cooking here. Okay. Babe. Okay. What's the
That's
max?
the max there, and the minimum there.
Okay.
So you were told this one is the one which uses less gas. So we'll see.
The
We'll
consumption is
update
low.
you the results.
And the small
there's
one?
the-
Oh, you aren't testing the
Sorry, this
others.
wasn't placed well. You should never leave it halfway. Always make sure it's outward. Because this
So,
one actually have
like,
to put it on, you have to press.
So you put,
Okay?
when you press it inside.
Yeah. So when it's off, when it that's minimum, and when it's now on. Now when you want to put it off, make sure it's completely out. Don't leave it a bit sometimes inside. It should spring out on its own.
Okay.
According to the design.
What about
So
the oven?
the oven,
Yes.
not
You're also
so
excited to
sure
know.
yet how to
Hey, they showed me, babe, down there where there's that hole.
just light up here.
Yes.
Put your you just put your match. There is an in here, cabana here. And so just a minute, these things are really going quick.
You need a longer matchbox.
Okay.
The
If
ignite.
you're not so sure about whether it's gonna come on, just completely remove that whisker thing here. Then you light your match. And,
You guys can, yeah, it's amazing.
yeah, and you just put it on that's high heat for the oven, that's low heat.
Yes.
Yeah, I guess that's how a gas oven works.
So, guys, that's it for today. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, you can ask on the comments below. And I appreciate you guys for being here. Thank you for always being here. And I will see you guys in my next video. Yes.
This model of regulator or this model of cooker. They can ask you this
Yes.
as you use.
It's amazing and it's a good price. So, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.